Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Love you all, and also don't forget to leave your comments.
Brother, have you seen? This is now our land.
Yeah.
Let me
This
say
land is very good.
Let me say from that end up to even there.
Yeah, okay.
Where's back? Where's back?
211.
Now you're moving with someone.
This is my bro.
From where?
Not Sudan, Khartoum.
And he's even having some swag here.
Big bro.
Grousby.
Money.
Grousby.
Money is not his problem, you understand?
It's okay. I'm his friend.
Let me say, even you can interact with him freely.
It's okay. You can pass. In fact, let me go.
Let me come.
Okay.
It's okay, bro. Good time.
Let me say, bro, up to here.
Yeah.
Even this guy is a tender. He's just a renting guy. Let me say, this place is all ours. You understand?
Okay, it's no problem. We got the money, everything is there. Let's just go nearby here and take some drinks, okay? Money is there.
What? What is it? First check yourself properly.
Maybe.
Kina kuliah de baka. Lo pengatela.
It's true, brother. I failed to introduce that guy fully. That guy is a thief.
Let's call police. And check him.
For this matter.
Why are you?
No, don't temper.
Have you seen?
He's the
Now
very
it
guy.
is 6x4. What about yours? 5.
Now, why are you?
No, why now? You're a very big criminal.
It is almost relative.
He is the very guy.
Big one. They arrested.
I don't have anything.
No.
Finish.
Here we don't have problem. Guys, wait here unless we go for investigation.
Investigation, seriously. Thorough one.
Because this is now. This is offense number 645.
Kina kuliah de baka.
You come for investigation. Come out.
And I'm going to Barnum.
Come out.
You go.
I don't have any problem.
No speech. Come out. No. Come there silent.
I don't have anything.
Come there silent. Before investigation, remove the sun.
Police, listen, calm down. The thing is there. Calm down.
Now
Calm
what?
down. Please calm down. It is 100%. I'm going to give you 25%. And then I will have 75%. The thing is mine.
But anyway, I'm not here to investigate you only, but we are investigating ourselves with you.
It's okay.
You need to have your statement.
It depends.
You need to be very careful.
You are mine.
You need to be very careful. I'm going to say there's nothing.
Just tell them nothing. Completely.
You need to be very strong. Just like that.
I'm free. I'm free of anything. I'm free.
The man is totally free. He's an innocent. You have no problem.
There's nothing.
There's nothing.
Nothing.
No, calm down. Maybe some errors take place in the investigation. Let this young soldier try his best. Investigating very well.
Okay, let's go.
Investigating very well.
Let's go.
You're not serious. I told you I'm
Let's
free.
go.
No.
Okay, man, remove everything you have out. Remove everything.
Police, listen, calm down. The thing is there. The thing is there. I'm going to give you something. I gave your friend 25%. I'm going to give 25%. We have 50%.
Okay, I told you, police are your friends. Eh? We are friends.
We are one, but
Yeah,
I don't know why that man is doing for me like that.
No, just we are going to try that.
Kina ngotipo.
I told them.
Yeah, comrade. Investigation there were cave.
Man, I'm sorry.
Because this is the second one.
The guy is innocent.
Innocent how? Innocent how?
We are army. We know how to tackle these things.
Calm down.
Nana
Calm down, man. Calm down.
Now, listen. Maybe some errors
Let me say for
occur with one person. Maybe an error occur with one person. How? Two heads You know, 2 hits are better than 1 hit. We need to go at least 2 of us. Here we are very strict.
Yes, we can manage.
Mood them away.
Yeah.
We are very strict. A thief is a thief. How many tiba? I quiz. Guru Stagifi. Ara.
I'm free, I told
Just
you.
stand.
Come
Let's
on,
go. Stand.
Police, what is the problem? Police, why are you doing as if you don't know? We are one police.
Nagbetuan. Debiga mood. This one is now dead, my friend.
Man, if we're going with this guy, there's fire on the mountain, I'm telling you. Seriously, eh?
Those people are very
Seriously,
big. They are not annoyed. We are going to take you
okay.
as a thief.
I'm going to give you all the money.
Idiot.
I'm going to give you all the money and keep quiet. Keep the promise. Okay, listen.
No.
Police, listen.
No, listen now.
Okay, you have this. The whole money is here.
Yeah.
I don't have any money now, police.
Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
I told them I'm free, no?
No, listen, for the final results. Hakika Tode, truly, Ajamafi.
I'm free.
The man is totally free.
There's nothing. There's nothing.
Maringaring kila mo.
What?
No. He has the money. He has the money. The money is with you.
Awiwinya pare komun.
Which you mean the money? I have told you even earlier that this guy is a real thief.
Hello. Where is the money?
I gave to the police.